This video almost didn't happen. 3 of the gadgets we found were delisted before we finished the script. We're posting this fast. Here are 20 gadgets that someone keeps trying to hide. Bail before number 7, and you missed the one that has been sitting on Amazon since 2019 with 0 issues. 1. Proxmark 3 RFID Research Tool, the professional-grade tool above every RFID device on this list. It performs deep cryptographic analysis of access control systems, cracks legacy encryption on older hardware, and clones credentials with precision no consumer tool can match. Security researchers publish peer-reviewed papers using it. Penetration testers use it to expose vulnerabilities in hospitals, data centers, and government buildings. Flagged by border control agencies in the Netherlands, Germany, and Australia. Sold on Amazon by third-party vendors. No certification required, no authorization check, delivery to any address. And number 2 on this list got pulled 3 times in 18 months. It came back every single time. 2. Portable EMP device. Listed as electromagnetic testing tools, palm-sized devices that produce a localized pulse disrupting nearby electronics. Engineers use them in controlled environments to certify hardware shielding. But in 2024, one specific model appeared in a UK court case after police recovered it from a suspect charged with ATM tampering. The Amazon listing described it as a scientific demonstration tool. 4.5 stars. It got pulled. It came back 2 weeks later under a new name. Number 3 helps you find the gadgets on this list, and it sells faster than most of them. 3. TSCM Bug Detector. Scans for hidden cameras, GPS trackers, and RF transmitters in any space. Security consultants sweep hotel rooms and boardrooms with them before sensitive meetings. They work, and the protective use case is real. But the same scanner that finds a hidden camera also maps every surveillance node in a building, showing exactly where coverage gaps exist. Listed on Amazon since 2020. Over 3,000 reviews. The top review explains how to locate blind spots. Number 4 was flagged at a European customs checkpoint, banned in 3 EU member states, and quietly relisted in all 3 within 60 days. 4. Spy glasses. Standard-looking eyewear recording 1080p video to a built-in micro SD card with no indicator lights and no wireless connection required. Licensed private investigators and investigative journalists use them legally. Multiple EU countries have restricted their sale under privacy law because they are physically indistinguishable from regular glasses. One brand was flagged at a European customs checkpoint in 2022 and quietly relisted under a new product name within 60 days. Number 5 reads the magnetic stripe off any card and writes it onto a blank one. Law enforcement in 3 US states have recovered this exact model from active fraud operations. 5. MSR 605. X Magnetic Stripe Card. Reader Writer reads the encoded data on any magnetic stripe card and writes it onto blank stock. Payment security researchers use it to show banks how easily cards can be cloned without chip and pin protection. Law enforcement in at least 3 US states recovered this exact model as the encoding device in documented credit card fraud cases. On Amazon. Third-party seller. No ID required. Number 6 looks exactly like a pen, and it will physically shock you. Literally. 6. Stun Gun Pen. Looks exactly like a ballpoint pen, pocket clip and all. Press the activation button and it delivers a high-voltage shock that can incapacitate anyone it contacts. Self-defense advocates carry it where conventional firearms are restricted, but it is banned outright in the UK, Australia, and Canada, specifically because it cannot be distinguished from a writing instrument. Sold on Amazon. 4-star average. Ships internationally from third-party vendors. Number 7 does not shock you. It just changes who you sound like in real time during a live phone call. 7. Real-time voice changer. Plugs between any microphone and audio output, shifting your voice across multiple presets in real time. Voice actors and radio presenters use it commercially, but the FTC and the UK's Action Fraud have both flagged real-time voice-changing hardware in published reports on phone fraud operations targeting elderly victims. One Amazon listing has over 4,000 reviews. Several describe its use during calls that no one would classify as pranks. Number 8 lets you see through walls, and the police in Sweden already have it in an active case file. 8. Thermal camera, Infrared/FLIR 1. Clips to your smartphone and detects heat signatures through materials in complete darkness. Electricians, HVAC technicians, and search and rescue teams all use it for legitimate work. But the same lens that finds a hot wire behind drywall also detects a person standing in a dark room from outside a window. Swedish police flagged this category during a 2022 burglary investigation. Available on Amazon. No age restriction, no background check. Number 9 opens a standard front door lock in under 30 seconds and is banned in 12 U.S. states. 9. Electric lockpick gun. Locksmiths and law enforcement have used snap guns for decades. The version on Amazon ships to any residential address with no licensing, no background check, no certification. Carrying one is illegal in at least 12 U.S. states. Using one without authorization is a felony everywhere, but ownership in most states carries no restriction. Multiple active listings. The negative reviews are not about the device failing to open locks. Number 10 is the one the National Retail Federation specifically named in a 2024 Organized Retail Crime Advisory. 10. AM Security Tag Detacher. A high-powered rare earth magnet in a compact housing designed to remove the hard-shell security tags retailers attach to merchandise. Every retail employee has an authorized version at point of sale, but this one ships to any home address. The National Retail Federation specifically named portable magnetic detachers in a 2024 Organized Retail Crime Advisory. The questions section on the Amazon listing asks about specific store tag formats. None of those answers have been removed. Number 11 costs under $30 and pulls unencrypted signals out of the air from hospital pagers, satellites, and aircraft transponders with a single USB dongle. 11. RT-LSD-R software. Defined radio. Under $30. This USB dongle turns any laptop into a wideband radio frequency scanner. Aviation hobbyists track aircraft. Weather enthusiasts pull satellite imagery from space. But hospital pager networks in the US and UK still run unencrypted. In 2023, a security researcher publicly intercepted live hospital pager messages containing patient names and medical details using a $23 RT-LSD-R. On Amazon right now. No restrictions, no flag. Number 12 showed up in a federal evidence file in Texas. 12. Spy pen recorder. It clicks. It has a working ink cartridge and a 1080p camera lens records to a hidden micro SD card with no lights, no sounds, and zero visible evidence. Journalists and licensed private investigators use it legally in single-party consent states. This device category appeared in the documentation of a corporate espionage case in Texas in 2023. On Amazon. No license required, no registration. Novelty item lives in the fine print. Number 13 is the only gadget on this list where the FCC itself issued the ban. It has been relisted at least a dozen times in 2 years. 13. Cell phone. Signal jammer. The FCC bans the sale and operation of signal jammers for U.S. consumers. No exceptions. Operating one carries federal criminal penalties. And yet third-party sellers on Amazon have repeatedly listed them under names like Signal Blocker and Privacy Shield. They get pulled. They come back days later under a new product name. One listing stayed active for 4 months in 2024, seized and yet still available every time. Number 14 is the one that has been sitting on Amazon since 2019 with 0 flags. And what it does to a hotel keycard will change how you think about every room you've ever stayed in. 14. RFID NFC card. Reader Writer. This device reads the data encoded on RFID access cards, hotel keycards, transit passes, and corporate access badges, and then writes that exact data onto blank cards. Security firms use it to demonstrate to hotel chains and corporate campuses precisely how exposed their access control systems are without upgraded encryption. It is standard kit in every physical penetration testing curriculum worldwide, listed since 2019 on Amazon. 0 delisting, 0 flags. Number 15 looks like a cheap smartwatch. What it does to a building full of Wi-Fi users is something else entirely. 15. DoTherWatch. It looks exactly like a cheap smartwatch. It runs open-source firmware on an ESP8266 chip. Press the right button sequence and it broadcasts deauthentication packets that forcibly disconnect every single device on a Wi-Fi network from its router simultaneously, without a password, without any access credentials at all. Network engineers use it to stress test wireless infrastructure. Developers run it on their own systems for security research. But this device has appeared in police reports from school districts, airports, and public venues, where someone used it to cut off internet access for everyone in range. Amazon lists it as a development board. The listing calls it a learning tool. Number 16 is so small you can hold it between 2 fingers, But the warnings coming out of Germany, the UK, and 3 US states are anything but small. 16. GF07 Mini GPS Tracker. Smaller than a matchbox. Built-in neodymium magnet on the back. No subscription. Real-time location tracking straight to a phone app. Fleet managers use it for delivery vehicles. Parents put it on cars driven by new teen drivers. Licensed private investigators use it legally under court-admissible surveillance frameworks in many U.S. states. Number 17 does not track location. It intercepts everything flowing through a Wi-Fi network without touching it at all. 17. Wi-Fi Pineapple. HAK5. Hawk5 built this device for network penetration testing and does not hide what it does. The official website describes it in full. You deploy it anywhere, it mimics the names of nearby trusted Wi-Fi networks, and devices that automatically reconnect to known networks hand their traffic straight to it. Enterprise IT teams use it to find vulnerabilities in corporate wireless infrastructure before a real attacker does. Cybersecurity boot camps teach with it. Number 18 is the size of a standard USB flash drive and destroys whatever it is plugged into in under 10 seconds. 18. USB Killer Pro. It is the size of a standard USB flash drive and looks identical to one. You plug it into any USB port. It silently pulls charge from the host device, stores it in internal capacitors, then releases it as a rapid high-voltage surge that destroys the USB controller and, in most cases, the motherboard entirely in under 10 seconds. USB Kill, the manufacturer, markets it specifically for IT departments to test whether their devices can survive USB power surge attacks. Corporate security firms use it exactly that way. The anonymous edition ships with no markings whatsoever and is physically indistinguishable from a blank USB drive. Third-party sellers carry it on Amazon under the category of testing equipment. The negative reviews are not from people complaining it does not work. Number 19 was banned by Amazon, seized at the US border, confiscated in Brazil, and has a cartoon dolphin on the screen. 19. Flipper Zero. Amazon banned it in April 2023, labeling it a card skimming device. U.S. Customs and Border Protection seized a shipment of 15,000 units at the border before eventually releasing them. Brazil's telecom agency, Anatel, started confiscating every single incoming order and refused to certify the device entirely. Canada's Minister of Innovation publicly called for a nationwide ban after linking it to auto theft. Security staff at Gatwick Airport in the UK pulled one off a traveler in 2023 because they genuinely did not know what it was. It looks like a 1990s handheld game console. The Flipper Zero reads, copies, and replays RFID access badges, hotel keycards, garage door codes, NFC chips, and sub-gigahertz radio signals, all from one pocket. Cybersecurity professionals use it to audit physical access systems, and over 1 million units shipped globally by 2025. Third-party sellers quietly relisted it on Amazon within weeks of the ban, seized and yet still available. And number 20 looks like something hanging in every guest bedroom. It is the one that has been most quietly available the entire time. 20. Hidden Camera Wi-Fi Light Bulb. It screws into any standard socket. It looks like a regular light bulb. It streams live footage to your phone through any Wi-Fi connection, records continuously to a micro SD card, shows no indicator light, makes no sound, and gives nothing away. Electricians would not spot it. Housekeepers would not spot it. Your guests absolutely would not spot it. Home security is the real legitimate use case, and it works well for that. But in 2022, European border agents flagged this exact device category after it turned up in vacation rental investigations across 3 countries. It kept getting pulled from listings. Third-party sellers kept quietly relisting it. It is available right now. No age gate, no background check, no questions asked. You made it to the end, which means you already know why videos like this keep getting flagged. Hit subscribe right now because the follow-up is already in production. Drop a comment with the number of the gadget that hit the hardest for you. Share this before it disappears because based on our last 2 videos in this series, at least 3 of these listings will not exist by next week.